This section explains the procedure for adjusting the sensitivity of the touch sensor detection following the Step 1 settings section. You can easily adjust the sensitivity by following the guide. Click Renaissance Views, Renaissance QE, Capped Ouch Workflow. Select the project created in the first step and click to prepare a configuration. Create a new configuration. Place the touch interfaces according to the layout of the actual electrode being used. Click the selected button again to deselect it. Double-clicking on a placed touch interface, then display the Setup Touch Interface. Select the touch sensor terminal from the pull-down menu to assign to each electrode. For details of touch sensor terminal, please refer to the appendix of RX 140 Capacitive Touch Evaluation System User's Manual. Once settings are completed, the color of the touch interface will change from red to green. As a noise countermeasure, an active shield terminal can also be set from the Shield Terminal button. Press Create to finish creating the touch interface. You now need to modify the debug configuration settings. Check Startup Set Breakpoint at Resume. You now need to modify the E-Square Studio project debug configuration for capacitive touch tuning. Click the debugger on the Debug Configuration pane and select the Connection Settings tab. Choose External Power Supply. All debug configuration settings have now been completed. After connecting the target board and PC via an emulator, click Start Tuning to begin tuning. The QE for Capacitive Touch tool automatically performs parasitic capacitance measurement for all touch sensors, and offset tuning for each sensor. Next, measure the sensitivity of the touch sensor. Following the instructions displayed on the screen, pressing a key on the keyboard, the button, slider, or wheel sensitivity is automatically measured by touching the target electrode on the electrode board. The tuning result is displayed. If there are no warnings or errors, click Continue the tuning process. Click Output Parameter Files to output the tuning result file and then click Show Samples. After clicking Output to File, press OK. Make sure that QETouchSample.c is present. Add code to call QETouch main function in main function. After building the project, complete the build of the code reflecting the tuning results. Please continue to the next video, Step 3 Monitoring. Step 3 will explain the procedure for sensitivity monitoring and adjustment using the QE for capacitive touch.